Hey there, aviation fans. This is Brian Rowe with TopFlight.tv coming at you live from Reno State Airport, home of the Reno National Championship Air Races. Today is Sunday, September 14th, and it was absolutely another incredible day of racing. But you know what? It kind of sucks because the sun's going down, the day is over, racing's done for this year. However, we got some great footage we want to share with you. We were out on Pylon 2, got some great things, got some interviews with some folks out there. We're going to show you some of the heats that went on. We've got some jets, we got some sports, we got some T6s, and oh my gosh, we had a surprise win in the Gold Unlimited heat. Ready for it? Rock and roll.